Good morning, all. Students, today we are going to deal with the topic dimensions of business environment. There are 5 dimensions of business environment. They are economic environment, social environment, technological environment, political environment, and legal environment. So these are the 5 dimensions of business environment which are external to any business. Now first we'll go with the first dimension, and that is economic environment. Now what is economic environment? Economic environment refers to all those forces that have economic impact on business activities. Like you can say interest rate, inflation rate, changes in disposable income of people, stock market indices, value of rupee are some of the economic factors that can affect the business enterprise. For example, if the rate of interest is low, then it will benefit the construction companies. अगर रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट लो होगा तो कंस्ट्रक्शन कंपनीज और ऑटोमोबाइल मैन्युफैक्चरर्स को बेनिफिट होगा कैसे? इट विल लीड टू इंक्रीज इन सेल ऑफ हाउसेज एंड ऑटोमोबाइल्स. जब इंटरेस्ट रेट लो हो जाता है तो कंस्ट्रक्शन कंपनीज और ऑटोमोबाइल्स कंपनीज को फायदा होता है बिकॉज इट विल इंक्रीज द सेल ऑफ हाउसेज एंड ऑटोमोबाइल्स. Now, if there is increase in disposable income of the people, it will lead to increase in demand and hence increase in the sale of goods and services. अगर लोगों की इनकम बढ़ गई तो क्या होगा? डिमांड फॉर गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज विल इंक्रीज. सो ये इफेक्ट होता है किसी भी अगर इन्फ्लेशन रेट चेंज होती है या डिस्पोजेबल इनकम लोगों की चेंज होती है. Increase in inflation leads to increase in the cost of raw material, tools, leading to increase in cost of production. यही अगर इन्फ्लेशन इकोनॉमी में बढ़ जाता है तो हर चीज महंगी खरीदनी पड़ती है. एक बिजनेसमैन को रॉ मटेरियल महंगा पड़ेगा, टूल्स महंगा पड़ेगा, मशीनें महंगी पड़ेगी. दैट विल लीड टू इंक्रीज इन कॉस्ट ऑफ प्रोडक्शन. Now we'll come to the next topic, and that is next dimension, that is social environment. Social environment includes components like literacy rate, educational levels, customs, beliefs, values, lifestyles, ages, expectation from business, birth and death rates, etc. Now the social environment, if we see about traditions, like in India, if you see celebration of Diwali, Eid, Christmas, etc., provide opportunities for greeting card companies, sweets and confectionery manufacturers, tailoring outlets. So demand for such products increase because there are traditions prevailing in India. Now we'll talk about values. What are values? Values are like individual freedom, social justice, equality, national integration, etc. It has got impact on business in terms of social responsibility of business. That is, there should be no discrimination among employees or customers on the basis of caste, creed, religion, language, etc. Now we'll go to social trends. What are social trends? The social trends of increasing health consciousness leads to increase in demand for organic food because people are becoming, today you see the people are becoming health conscious. So demand for organic food, diet soft drinks, gym, water, mineral water, etc. is increasing. It has adverse impact on business like dairy processing, fast food, tobacco and liquor, etc. So these are the social environment which put effect on the business. That is because there are traditions, there are values, there are social trends. That is, traditions and values are followed. So the demand for some of the, you can say, products has increased. Now we'll come to the third dimension of business environment, and that is technological environment. Now, technological environment includes forces relating to scientific improvement and innovations which provide new ways of producing goods. That is, new technology is used to produce goods and services, new methods and techniques of operating a business. Now, change in technology is mostly associated with better service as well as cost efficiency. Technological advancement creates new products, new production techniques and new way of managing and communicating. जब हम नई अच्छी टेक्नोलॉजी यूज करते हैं तो उस टेक्नोलॉजी से नए नए प्रोडक्ट मार्केट में आते हैं. टेक्निक्स हम न्यू यूज करते हैं तो नए प्रोडक्ट मार्केट में आते हैं, उनकी डिमांड बढ़ती है. Then continuous innovation in different scientific and emerging fields such as lasers, robotics, biotechnology, food preservatives, etc. have provided number of opportunities and threats for different business enterprise. Today, technology is changing at a fast pace and technological environment is significantly affecting the business. Number of companies have failed due to delay in adopting those technology. For example, we can also say shift in demand from traditional watches to digital watches, fountain pens to ballpoint pens, typewriters to computers, all have led to creation of new business opportunity. So this was all about technological environment, that is it includes scientific improvement and innovations which provide new methods of doing a business. Now we'll come to the next environment, and that is political environment. Political environment includes components such as type of government in power, peace in the country, general stability, attitude of government towards various industries. Janata government in 1977 was not in favor of MNCs. So Coca-Cola and IBM had to move out of India. In the same way, the political climate in Hyderabad is supportive to IT industry. That is why it is called Hyderabad. So that is all about political environment. Means there should be political peace. बिजनेस वहां जाके उस जगह बिजनेस करना पसंद करते हैं, बिजनेसमैन वहां जाके बिजनेस करना पसंद करते हैं जहां पीस है, स्टेबिलिटी है, गवर्नमेंट का एटीट्यूड उनको फेवर कर रहा है, गवर्नमेंट का ऐसा एटीट्यूड है जो उनके बिजनेस को फेवर कर रहा है. एंड द लास्ट इज लीगल एनवायरनमेंट. इट इंक्लूड्स लॉज पास्ड बाय गवर्नमेंट, court judgments and decision by commissions and agencies at each level of government. For example, we can say that there are different acts: Companies Act of 1956, Consumer Protection Act of 1986, Foreign Exchange Management Act, that is 1947, Factory Act 1948. Legal environment example is alcoholic advertisement, the advertisement of alcohol is banned. And advertisement including packets of cigarette must contain a statutory warning. जो भी cigarettes के पैकेट होते हैं उन पे एक statutory warning होनी चाहिए कि it is injurious to health. हम अगर टीवी पे भी एड्स देखें तो आप देखो छोटे अक्षरों में लिखा हुआ आता है कि it is injurious to health. Or you can say the example is advertisement of baby food must inform the potential buyers that mother's milk is best. So you can say the legal environment refers to framework of laws and various legislation within which business transactions takes place. It consists of legislations that has been passed by, you can say, the parliament, court or state legislatures. And the legislation prescribe the rules, or you can say laws, which have to be followed by all the business organizations. And if the business do not follow those laws, it can lead to legal problems to those business. So this is about the legal environment. An example, that is alcoholic advertisement. There is alcohol advertisement is banned, and if there is advertisement about the cigarettes, and every packet it must be, the statutory warning must be there, it is injurious to health. And advertisement of baby food should also have a, you can say, that inform potential buyers that mother's milk is best. So these are about the dimensions of business environment. So there are 5 dimensions of business environment, and what is its effect on business, that we are studying in this topic. So the 5 dimensions are economic environment, social environment, technological environment, political environment, and legal environment. So every businessman must study all this environment and the changes taking place in this environment and do the business accordingly in order to be successful. So this is all about the topic. Please revise the topic. Thank you and God bless.